What's up, YouTubers? This is a short video about the GeForce T42 e-bike that I bought previously. As you guys can see, I finally got my Cloud9 seat, available from Amazon. But this video is about the battery. I ended up contacting GeForce and I asked them about buying an extra battery. They sent me a link, which I'll put down below, and that battery, they want $390 for it. Like crazy. Almost $400 for the battery. But I got a simple solution. Let me show you. Here's the original battery that's in the bike. Here's the charger for the battery too. This is the charger that came with it. This is the original bike battery. Here's my solution. Check it out. Looks identical. I bought this on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. I purchased it from a US seller, which is based out of California. And what I did was I took the original e-bike battery, the T42, the battery that came with the bike. And when you look at this connector, it has a number there. Made sure I wrote that number down. Looked at the description of everything. I took measurements of the length, the width, the height. And then I scoured eBay and I found this. Link is also in the description. Look at the number here. It's the same number as the original battery right there. As the original bike battery. Same connector. Identical size. Unbelievable. And this battery was only $212. Check it out. Fits right in. And these are actually the keys. They're actually the same keys. This one I painted white so I know which key goes to which battery. This is the new battery key. Locks perfect, works well. This is the only problem I have with the battery. It's the charging port. I thought it was the same size, but apparently it's not. This charger, it comes with a 5.5 millimeter by 2.1 millimeter inside diameter hole right there. That little hole right there is 2.1 millimeter. That's what fits into this, but it won't fit into this battery because this one, the battery that I bought, it has a 2.4 millimeter port. So what I ended up doing was I bought a charger for $31 on Amazon. Link is also in the description. The reason I bought this charger is the original charger right here is only a 2 amp. I picked this one up. It's a 3 amp charger. Lo and behold, this 3 amp charger comes with a special adapter plug. Here's your 2.1 millimeter that fits into this battery. It won't fit into this one, but once you put this a special adapter plug on it, fits perfectly, charges faster. This is a 3 amp charger. It's only $31. If you don't want to buy the extra charger, you can buy this adapter on eBay for a few bucks. And it's basically a 5.5 millimeter by 2.1 millimeter to a 5.5 millimeter by 2.4 millimeter adapter. I'll try to put a link in the description also. Save a couple of bucks. GeForce wants $390 for their battery. I bought this battery for $212. Marked Panasonic cells, but is that believable? 48 volt, 10 amp hour, 480 watt hour. This one, the one that came with the bike, is 48 volt, 10.4 amp hour. But do you really believe that? So, hope this helps out for you guys in terms of getting another battery for your bike. I'll let you know if I have any problems with it later on.